Right. So just to move to the other one, I think that the other library that I'm not going to use, I'm not going to show you because we need to figure out how to work with it. But if you want to have a look, it's this library is called Wayweather, and it's actually a full geothermal simulator. It gives you, let's say it's might be comparable in terms of features. It's a infinity different simulator where you have all the cells in the model, and what you have ultimately, it's you can put wells, multiple wells, as injectors and producers, and I'm not quite sure how to use it, but if you want to take an adventure with it and spend some time figuring out, please let me know how it goes. Yes, we share usually we share all these sessions and the codes. We slowly upload to OrcaHub, GitHub OrcaHub, and if you go into a PEG Python, eventually you will see the geothermal folder in this repository. Okay, so yeah, an interesting one to have a look. And the last one, the last resource, now talking more about data, and there is this website from the U.S. Department of Energy, and it's Utah Forge, where they have a lot of data that is available, where you can have a look at the data from multiple projects. And I believe there is a consolidated amount of data for geothermal, mainly the extension of land, samples of wells, and so on. Might be interesting to have a look if you have time, and that's the other source of information that you might be interested to look a bit more into.